Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
This man. Oh, Amumu not too much. What's up?
Good afternoon, my brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
Jesus. Jesus.
Hello?
Driver, I requested for my neighbor. Do you see him?
Yes, I see. Yes, I see him. I see him. Yes.
Okay. Please, just take it easy.
Okay. Okay.
Be safe.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Driver, go slow. Go
Okay.
left.
Left.
Right.
No, I can't go left and right same time now.
Go left. Right. Speed. Slow down. Don't kill me.
God have mercy upon us.
Silo visa, because I want to go to. I want to go. You
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
You go to
Mumu man.
you. Oh. Hey, Reze. I see. Everyone say. But I say, why you see me? Don't see me. I don't want.
Can I drop you?
Take me to heaven. I want to go to heaven. Take me to heaven.
God have
I want
mercy
to go
upon
to
us.
heaven. Shulo, Davido. Hey, Davido. You see Davido? Did you see Davido? I want to drive.
Jesus!
Let me drive.
No, my brother, you can't do that.
I know to drive.
Can you behave, please?
Away, mama. You go. I see. They're coming. You. They're coming. I saw it. Don't take me. I don't want to go anywhere. I say, you gonna take me heaven? You don't want to take me to heaven? You want to go heaven? Go heaven. We're gonna go to heaven. Hey, over. Take me to heaven. I said, take me to heaven. I see. They say, play. I say, why? Take me to heaven. I don't want to go to heaven, bros. Let me drive. I want to show you. I want to show to drive. Let me show to drive.
Jesus! God have mercy upon us.
I'm gonna drive. Let me drive.